Good morning, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gabby. I'm a New York City based life and style content creator. We're starting a new vlog. This week is gonna be a couple days of my life, almost a week in my life, but I'm leaving for DC this weekend, but I'm excited to go to DC. I haven't been in a while. Well, I'm like sort of excited to go to DC. Anyway, wait, do I have one silver and one gold on? But yeah, I went very warm, simple on the makeup. I tried the Rare contour, which I really like. It's actually pretty easy to make it look natural, so that's nice. Probably, I'm sweating a little bit because it's hot in here, but I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of powder because I'm a little bit shiny. Be sure to like this video if you like my vlogs and hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment down below. Let's chat. I feel like I haven't been chatting with you guys as much recently. So hello, what's up? How's your 2025 going? It's February now? Is it February? I think by the time you're watching this, it'll be February. So yeah, 1 month down has felt like years, but that's okay. Yeah, let's do a quick outfit of the day and then we'll get the video going. Cute. Okay, very quick outfit of the day and then I'm gonna head out. But today we're going very casual. Honestly, to work most days, I just wear a sweater and jeans. This one I'm renting from Nuuly. It's a really pretty, like baby blue color. Very cute. Jeans are from Madewell. They're just like the vintage straight jean, I think is what they're called. My shoes are Dolce Vita. They are like a cool navy suede. My crop tee underneath is from Abercrombie and it's honestly like a really good staple. I should probably get another one so that I don't wear this one out, but yeah, that is the vibe. We've got my very simple Anthropologie Bottega dupes. Simple makeup today. Very cute. Let's go.
Just kidding.
Good morning. Hello, today is Tuesday. I am about to head out. I am going to lab. If you're new here, I'm a PhD student. I am in my final year, so I do research basically full-time. I also have an event tonight. We are going to a preview for next fall's shoe collection at Caleres. Last year I got Naturalizer ballet flats that I'm genuinely obsessed with. I'm wearing them today. So we'll see what is cute and poppin' for next fall. Let's do a quick outfit of the day. Today's makeup also is pretty simple. I'm wearing a new product that I can't quite share yet, but it's very, very good. I shared this like lip combo idea on my weekly newsletter, so go and check that out. I believe it's in last week's, like not this one that just went out, but the one before that. It's like a red lip for people who are not convinced yet, you know what I mean? But let's do an outfit of the day. Alrighty, so today it's like cool, but not like freezing, which is nice. But I'm wearing this Cezanne, like kind of cropped sweater. It's very comfortable, which I like. And I like that the turtleneck has some like room to it, so I feel like I'm not suffocating up there. And it's in this very lovely like gray color. I have some Banana Republic earrings, Banana Republic factory earrings on. I got them for Christmas. I'm also doing my Madewell jeans. They are the vintage, perfect vintage jean, I believe. I like them because I think they have like the perfect like straight leg opening. And then like I said, I'm wearing my Naturalizer ballet flats. This is in the silver colorway. But that is what we're working with. Let's get the day going. If you were curious, I'm wearing MAC Chestnut and MAC Spice It Up. So a very MAC lip combo today, which honestly we love. I'm gonna do shrimp tacos. Bye. Okay, so I'm headed to dinner. Ignore the whistling sound, that's my radiator. But I wanted to do a quick outfit of the day because I don't think I vlogged today. So hello, it is Wednesday evening. I just got home and I did some makeup. I put on, doing kind of like a casual, like dressed up casual outfit for dinner. I wear these jeans a lot actually. These are the Abercrombie, like 90s jean. I don't remember exactly what they're called, but they're in that realm. I got this new Cezanne Gaspard cardigan, which you guys know. If you look at any of my content, you know I love the Gaspard cardigan, and it's in this gorgeous like pale yellow color, which is definitely going to trend in the spring. My coat is from H&M. It's just like a long line coat. It's black, and then I'm wearing some pointed toe, like low-heeled boots from, I don't actually remember where these are from. I will put it on the screen later. But that is the vibe. But they're like a nice chocolatey suede boot. So kind of an interesting color story going on here. Gotta get my lip combo. Okay, pretty. I feel like I did very pretty, very fast makeup, but the lip combo today is gonna be backwards, but it is the Milk Odyssey lip oil gloss in the shade Adventure. It's like a fun, sparkly shade, very pretty. Lipstick, I'm using Unspoken Feelings by Lancome. I love these Lancome lipsticks, they're so good. And then for lip liner, we have our itty bitty NYX Hot Cocoa, which, again, if you watch anything that I do, you know that I love the NYX lip liners. And that is my very simple makeup. I mean, I have other makeup on, but yeah. Okay, let's go. I'm running a little bit late, but that's okay. Okay, so this may turn into just a video of my outfits. Also, I need to clean my mirror. What's going on? Anyway, all black outfit today in typical New York fashion. I'm wearing like a mock neck top from Old Navy. My sweater is from Cezanne. It's like a wrap situation. You can't really see it, but it's cute. Jeans are from Old Navy. They're like their straight leg. I don't remember exactly what they're called, but I really love these as well if you're looking for a more affordable option of like a Madewell situation. My boots are Doc Martens. They are the platform Chelsea's, and it is snowing, so that's fun, but I'm brought out the heavy duty boots, you know. Hair is in a half up, half down claw clip situation. Earrings are from Cezanne, and makeup is pretty simple today as well. So, yay, let's go. I came home to some really good PR. I'm excited. Milk Makeup sent some Valentine's Day goodies. I mean, they sent Nerds gummy clusters, so clearly they know what's up. I love these like lip and cheek sticks. They're some of the best cream blushes for like beginners. I use them a lot. in my own makeup, so 10 out of 10. I love these lip glosses as well. I'm not a huge fan of the jellies. I think they're fun in the summer, but I just feel like you have to like layer and layer and layer. But I know people really like them, so. And then from a brand that I am not familiar with, they sent me their new, what is this? Clean Slate Spritz, and it's kind of like the Tower 28 spray that went viral on TikTok some years ago. But it's like a hypochlorous mist, and I think this is gonna go in my gym bag. I'm very excited about it. But they sent a cute little Spritz Me napkin with some, is it Gia, I think, with some limes, which I actually think I'm gonna use one of these limes for my tacos. And then 2 little glasses, which are so cute, and then a little mailer situation. So this is so cute. I love a creative mailer, and I think this is just top tier. So good. But yeah, thanks to Milk and Barefaced, 11 out of 10. We love. Hello friends. I wanted to quickly film an outro for this video because I'm editing it currently, and I realized that I never filmed an outro. This video is kind of all over the place just because I felt like I kept like starting and stopping vlogging. But I just didn't have enough content for like a full video. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video even though it was all over the place. Yeah, it's been a busy few weeks. I feel like it's gonna be a busy few months. So yeah, the vlogs are probably gonna be a little all over the place, which is sometimes fun, sometimes a little chaotic, and that's maybe okay. This week we had a lot of stuff going on. I went to a press preview. We had book club at this yummy restaurant called Filet in Tribeca, which was cute. We discussed our book club book, which I actually didn't finish reading. I'm almost done with it though, but it's Look Closer by David Ellis. I think that's his name. It's the first book by a man that I've read in a hot minute, so that is interesting. And what else this week? Yeah, pretty chill. I started a lot of new shows. I watched Apple Cider Vinegar on Netflix, which was very, very, very good. It's kind of like Inventing Anna, but like 50 times better than I thought Inventing Anna was. If you watched Dance Academy while it was on, I used to watch it on YouTube, but I think they put it on Netflix. It's like an old teen Australian show, but it's about a dance academy. But there are several cameos by characters in Dance Academy in Apple Cider Vinegar, which I thought was fun. I watched Apple Cider Vinegar. I just started Paradise on Hulu, and it's a lot different than, I went in kind of blind. I didn't really know what it was about other than it had Sterling K. Brown and James Marsden in it. Yeah, but that seems like it's gonna be right up my alley, very like dystopian, political, thriller, murder mystery vibes. So yeah, we love that. And what else? Sweet Magnolias, the new season dropped. It's kind of like my guilty pleasure show, so I have to start that up. a lot going on, editing. Otherwise, I'm having a pretty chill Sunday. I finished cleaning like very early. I like got up this morning and was like off to the races. I like cleaned the entire apartment in like 2.5 hours. It was fabulous. So now I kind of have the rest of the day to just finish editing this and chilling out. I started Wuthering Heights as well. I'm reading like 3 books currently, so I need to like make some headway in those. But yeah, I'm kind of just chilling. I'm hanging out. Yeah. Also, did I ever show you these glasses? Our place sent them to me like a couple months ago. I had the like shorter ones before. I had the clear like short ones, but these are like the tall day and night glasses. I'm obsessed with them. The color, but also like they're the perfect size for just like having a little glass of water, because we gotta stay hydrated, okay? And I'm obsessed with them. I love them. They're so good. Cool. I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it was entertaining. I will see you next week. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy the vlogs. It does help, so I appreciate when you do that. Also, if you made it this far and you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, you made it all this way. We're pretty much besties. Okay, like you know, you might as well just like tune in for the next one and the one after that. So hit that subscribe button. Cute. Also, I need to repaint my nails. What color should I do? This is like, it looks brown, but it's like a purpley color. It looks brown, but it's actually like a purpley shade. Aubergine, I think. I used the manicurist kit and I really like it. I think I might do like a red. No, you know what I'm gonna do the OG classic navy blue because I love a navy blue moment. Cool, but I'm gonna paint my nails as well tonight. So yeah, anyway, cheers to another video. I will see you next week. Yeah. Also, I do see all of the requests in my comments. Continue leaving them. I am writing them down, and hopefully I will be able to incorporate some of those requests into future videos. So yeah, leave a comment, give this video a big thumbs up, follow me on social media, Instagram, TikTok. Not really using TikTok, but you can follow me there. Maybe I'll post something. Substack, Pinterest if you like. And yeah, I'll see you next week's video. Bye.